Today, on behalf of the CNN 24, we are in Don Bosco, and here it's today for the last yesterday onwards, the 2 days exhibition for the lower classes of school level competitions are going on, exhibitions are going on here from the class up to 4. So here the students are spontaneously and very overwhelmingly performing and presenting their exhibitions. So here with me, the vice principal of Don Bosco, Father Josh is with me. Father Josh, welcome to CNN 24. Like to know the 2 days exhibition.
Yeah, thank you, CNN 24, being here for covering our program. We have the students of classes 2, 3, and 4 presenting their various exhibits here. We have various galleries, starting with here we are in the mathematics gallery. After that, we have the Hindi gallery. Then we have the art gallery. We also have the live gallery representing the culture of Barak Valley.
Yeah.
And then we have the science EVS rooms or EVS gallery presenting various models. So I would like to first of all thank the teachers and students for their contribution, especially teachers. They have prepared the students, the parents. They have also helped the students in many ways, and our enthusiastic students. They have come up with the various innovative ideas.
This exhibition went up to which class level?
These are 4 classes. For the junior section, but those who are presenting are from class 2, 3, and 4. Yesterday we had the inauguration, the first day of the program, and we have our senior students visiting, also from Bosco Tech and few other neighboring schools. The teachers, they are here to see the program.
So thank you, Father Josh. It's a really praiseworthy for the Don Bosco College, encourage the students other than their normal studies going for a lot of scientific exhibitions and encouraging them, the student, junior level students and senior level students also. So thank you so much for being with us. Thank you so much. Just a minute.
Good morning, everyone.
Okay, just tell me what is the model you are exhibiting here?
Maths and daily life model.
Okay. Explain little.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Pranishin coming from class 3C.
And I am Ravita Talara from class 3C.
Today we are going to present you a model based on the topic maths in daily life.
How maths used in our daily life? Do you think we use maths only in school? No. We use maths in every single day, even if we don't realize it.
When we look at the clock or set an alarm for 7 o'clock.
So,
When we look at the clock or set an alarm for 7 o'clock, that's maths with time.
When we help our parents in the kitchen, we use maths too. For example, if mommy says to add 1 cup of milk, that's measuring liquids and that's maths. Sudiksha Paul.
studying in which class?
4.
4. What are the exhibition today you are exhibiting here?
Mathematics exhibition.
Explain please.
Good morning, judges. Welcome to our mathematics exhibition. We, the student of class 4, Ishani Chaudhary, Sudiksha Paul, and Sudhindra Paul, have made a 3D model of a city. This model is made using different materials like cardboard, paper, boxes, and colors. It looks like a small version of a real city. In our model, you can see the roads, buildings, school, park, hospital, and many other things. Now let me hand over to my friend Sudiksha.
Please tell.
How it is related to math. This is a 3D model of a city made by us. We use shapes like cuboid and cylinders to make buildings, towers, and tanks. While making the road and placing the building, we use rulers and measuring tape to measure the length, breadth, and height. We also use directions. Now, why we use direction? This rotary had divided the highway in 4 parts like left, right, front, and behind, and compass point like east, west, north and south. Now let's come to counting, ordering and numbering. Let's count it how many trees, roads, buildings, houses are there, which help us to learn or get an idea about counting, ordering and numbering. Now let me hand over to my friend Sudhindra Paul.
Why this model is special? In a 3D model, we can see it from all sides. We can touch and feel its shape. It helps us to understand how a city looks and works in real world. Overall, it helps us to understand shape better. Now it's over to Sudiksha.
Still photo.
My turn.
Uses of 3D model. It helps us understand things easily. It shows the real shape and size of objects. It improves our creativity and imagination. Now over to Ishan. Why this model is special? This model is special because we can see it from all sides. We can touch and feel its shape. We can learn how to do city planning.
So here it is. We are on behalf of the CNN 24. We are covering the Don Bosco here. The students are exhibiting here for the last 2 days, the junior sections, and up to class 4. This exhibition is going on here in Don Bosco. Don Bosco always very pioneer in encouraging the students in other extracurricular activities, cultural performances and exhibitions. Is all sorts of things are going on in Don Bosco junior level. So what are the things you are exhibiting today? You like to say?
Sarvanam.
Yeah, please tell something what the modules you are exhibiting. Please tell. Your name?
My name is Kavya Srivastava.
So what is the what exhibition?
The exhibition is सर्वनाम. जो तो शब्द संज्ञा के स्थान पर प्रयोग किए जाते हैं उन्हें हम सर्वनाम कहते हैं. सर्वनाम के 6 भेद होते हैं: पुरुषवाचक सर्वनाम, निश्चयवाचक सर्वनाम, अनिश्चयवाचक सर्वनाम, संबंधवाचक सर्वनाम और नीचवाचक सर्वनाम.
Wow, fantastic, very nice. Next. Oh, sorry. Here, please come. So, what are the things you are exhibiting today?
Puppet show.
Puppet shows. Show me something.
एक बंदर दिखाई दिया. हाथी ने बंदर से पूछा, क्या तुम मेरे दोस्त बनोगे, मुझसे दोस्ती करोगे?
आप तो बहुत बड़े हो, आप मेरे तरह छलांग कैसे लगाओगे?
हाथी थोड़ा आगे बढ़ा तो उसे एक खरगोश दिखाई दिया. हाथी ने उससे पूछा,
Please. Tell me something. What's your name?
My name is Angel Singh.
What you are exhibiting today?
हमारे
You
त्योहार.
explain.
मैं कक्षा 4 की छात्रा एंजल हिंदू धर्म के मुख्य त्योहार होली को दर्शाने जा रही हूँ. हिंदू धर्म को मानने वाले भारतीय बड़े उत्साह से होली को मनाया जाता है. ओम भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो न प्रचोदयात्.
Very nice, very nice. What's your name?
My name is Mariam Mazumdar.
Okay. Your name?
Kritika Dhar.
What you are exhibiting? Please tell.
मैं कक्षा 4 की विद्यार्थी मरियम इस्लाम धर्म के मुख्य त्योहार आज ईद को दर्शाने जा रही हूँ. इस्लाम धर्म को मानने वाले हमारे मुसलमान भाई वर्ष में 2 बार ईद का त्योहार मनाते हैं. एक बार ईद उल फितर जिससे पहले वे रोजे उपवास रहते हैं. एंजल सिन्हा, मरियम मजुमदार, कृतिका, शास्त्र सिन्हा.
These 4 students of Don Bosco junior section class 4, they are exhibiting the beautiful things we are watching here. A lovely unity of religious integration with all the religions like Islam, Hindu and Christian. This absolutely brilliant exhibitions is showing the unity in diversity of the Indian cultural heritage. So we should appreciate the students, those who are here in Don Bosco also exhibiting a lovely the models which is depicting the Indian unity of religious integrity. Absolutely brilliant presentations, and we need to appreciate the students, those who are here presenting this lovely, the unity in diversity, where India is always being praised for in the global sectors. Here, the lovely modules of unity in the religious. Okay, what you are exhibiting here today?
Vihanjin.
Okay, tell something about this Mahabharata. Okay, you come.
सुप्रभात आप सबका स्वागत है हमारे हिंदी प्रदर्शनी में। मेरा नाम है मलिहा मजूमदार और मेरा नाम है सुमाया मजूमदार। हम कक्षा 4 की छात्रा हैं। हिंदी में 2 वर्ण होते हैं, पहला स्वर वर्ण, दूसरा व्यंजन वर्ण। आज हम स्वर वर्णों की मात्राओं का पहचान कराने जा रहे हैं। ई उ ऊ, री ए आई ओ औ। अगर आपको इन मात्राओं की पहचान करना है तो आप इन रस्सियों को खींच के पहचान सकते हो। प्लीज आप एक ट्राई कर लीजिए।
Okay. ऐसा
ये कृष्ण और ये अर्जुन है, और
बोलो बोलो।
कृष्ण अर्जुन को उपदेश दे रहा था, जैसा कि आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं।
कर्मण्येवाधिकारस्ते मा फलेषु कदाचन मा कर्मफलहेतुर्भुः मा ते संगोऽस्त्व कर्मणि।
विद्यार्थी होने के नाते हमें अपना काम यानी शिक्षा पर जोर देते हुए आगे बढ़ते रहना चाहिए।
Fantastic. Very nice. Thank you so much. So yourself, teacher, your name please?
Tamalika Paul.
Tomalika Paul with me, the teacher of the Don Bosco Junior sections. So these 2 days exhibition, what is the meaning and what sorts of exhibitions is going on?
Actually, we exhibit those things that students should not confine their knowledge in the book.
Yeah.
They should explore themselves by preparing those models. So our main motto is just to confine their knowledge in certain book, rather to explore the knowledge in a different way.
In a different way. So,
Yes,
so
yes,
scientific
definitely,
modules
definitely we are encourage the students to show their talent in a different aspect, whichever talent they have, not in maths, not in confined in maths, rather other subject also they are exploring their knowledge in a different
way. As of now, these 2 days competition mean for the what class up to what class?
This is from class 2 to class 4.
2 to class 4.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
So here it is, the CNN 24 here in Don Bosco, and we are just covering the 2 days exhibition for the junior students up to class 4. And excellent modules we have seen in the scientific and many extraordinary creative idea of the urban development subject matters are a lot of related to that. So returning to the CNN 24 studio.
খুশিবে নাচরে নবীন কীর্তনের মাঝে নন্দী বৃন্দি আদি সঙ্গ কীর্তন বাজিল রে খুশিবে নাচরে নবীন কীর্তনের মাঝে নন্দী বৃন্দি আদি সঙ্গ কীর্তন বাজিল রে নাচে শিবির নাচে পার্বতী নাচে রে ও ভাই রে কারো নাচে খুশে শিব নাচে পার্বতী নাচে রে ও ভাই রে কারো নাচে খুশে আরে তিরশে উন্মত্ত হইয়া উচ্চ তুলা নাচে তিরশে উন্মত্ত হইয়া উচ্চ তুলা নাচে নাচরে নবীন কীর্তনের মাঝে নন্দী বৃন্দির আদি সম্ভবের সঙ্গ বাজিল রে নাচিতে নাচিতে শিব রে ও শিব হইয়াছে বেগুল নাচিতে নাচিতে শিব রে ও শিব হইয়াছে বেগুল আরে আজি কান্না শোনে রে হারাই বাজাতি ফুল আজি কান্না শোনে রে হারাই বাজাতি ফুল বসে না নবীন কীর্তনের মাঝে নন্দী বৃন্দি আদি